Today we're going to learn how to germinate some seeds so we can plant them in our garden. So here's a list of things that we're going to need for our project today. All right, shallow dish, lunch bags, permanent marker, seeds, paper towels, water, and scissors. You may not need the scissors, but just in case. All right, so we're going to, today I've chosen for us to germinate today some organic lettuce and some organic butternut squash. All right, so what we're going to do, real simple process. We're just going to take a paper towel. We're going to put it in that shallow dish that we talked about. Going to take some water, just going to pour it in that shallow dish so that the paper towel can get saturated with the water. All right, once the paper towel is saturated with the water, we're going to take some of our seeds and we're going to strategically put it in the dish so they're not on top of each other, but that they have some room to germinate. All right, the seeds of lettuce are kind of small, so I'm going to just put them in there and I'm going to show you how they look and how we want them to start germinating. Okay, I just kind of put them in a little column, kind of like in ranks. All right, so you see them all kind of saturated. All right, and then we're going to take that paper towel, we're going to fold it over, pat it down, and then we're going to take it and put it in a plastic bag just like this. Label it with lettuce, okay? And now we're going to do the same thing with the next paper towel. Take the paper towel, we're going to put it in that water, saturate it with the water. All right, a little bit more water needed because you want the paper towel nice and wet. All right. All right, now these next seeds, the butternut squash seeds, they're much larger. They're like pumpkin seeds. So you'll be able to see them a little bit more, and then you'll be able to strategically position them. So I'm going to put them in line as well, kind of like in the ranks. One moment, and I'll let you see how mine look. Bear with me, bear with me. Sometimes your fingers get wet and they get stuck to them. All right, and so here they are strategically lined up. And then I'm gonna put them snuggled into between, patting it down like that. And then I'll take this right here and I'll strategically put it into the plastic bag, just like so. All right, and then we'll take both of these plastic bags and we'll hang them up with tape in the window. I choose my window in the kitchen because it gives me the most sun most of the day. In 7 to 10 7 to 10 days, you can come and see what we have germinating so that we can put into the ground, and hopefully, you know, when it's harvest time, we'll be able to take some of that lettuce and make a nice salad, and take some of that butternut squash and do something wonderful with it. Take care. Hope this helps.